Hey, are you excited to open your new toy?
Yeah.
What do we got? What is it, a dollhouse?
Mommy. Wait.
Yep.
No! Hurry, no! Don't look at the light! I can't help it. It's so beautiful.
Light, don't touch it. It's recording. Don't touch it. Yeah, help open it. So you can show everyone what you got. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. There's more people.
Here, say cheese. Give me a thumbs up. This one.
Yep. All right. Let's get building.
Years later.
All right. We're all done. Got the batteries put in. Iz, what do you think? Good? Comes with a couple chairs, a table, some pizza, food, a door opens. What else do we got in here?
Make a pizza.
Whoa, throw the pizza in the oven. Whoa.
So relaxing.
Nice fireplace. Is that a lemon? You want me to sit? Okay, here.
Here.
Doop. Hi. What are we doing? Are we waiting for the pizza to come out? Mmm, yummy.
Delish.
Is that pizza?
Pizza. Pizza.
Is this me and you? Are we... Oh, thank you. Hey, why don't you jump off the diving board? Yeah. Here. Can you make me jump? Look. You go like this. Hold on. Ready? Whoa. You go like this. Woo! Tip it forward. Woo! You grabbing a snacky? What do you got? Grapes?
I got beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb.
Avocado?
Color.
What else is in there? Pizza?
Pizza.
Cupcakes?
Cake.
Whoa, it's got an elevator? Cool. And a flushable toilet?
White.
Yeah?
Chivo.
We taking an ice cream break? Yep. What kind of ice cream you got? Chocolate? Yeah?
Daddy.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Yep.
Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Cheers. Mmm. Thank you. Whoa. Are we hiding from Mommy in the tent? Who's our visitors? Hi, Bluey. Thanks for watching. Look at me. Bye. Thanks for watching. Can you do that?